Hi, do you want to activate futures and options on Groww? Well, it is super easy. Just go on your Groww app, scroll down, and you'll see products and tools. And then click on the F and O segment. After that, click on Activate F and O and done. Please note that activation takes 48 hours from the time of income proof submission. Also, in addition to products and tools, you can activate from any option chain. Now, if you already have stocks and mutual funds holdings with Groww, a minimum investment of ₹1,000, then you just have to click on Activate F and O, and within 24 hours it will be activated. But if you don't have stocks and mutual fund holdings with Groww, don't worry, as there is another way. In that, we will need your income proof to activate your account. You can upload one of the following documents: bank statement for the last 6 months, last month's salary slip, ITR, acknowledgement of the previous year, Form 16 of the previous year, DP, transaction and holding statement. Please note that all the documents should be valid and clearly legible. The name on the document should match your account holder's name at Groww and be visible. Don't crop the documents in any way. Your documents should be recent, and make sure to upload the documents within the given timeline. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and/or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.